Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNV Academy. When we hear the word hygiene, many people think about washing hands or keeping a desk tidy. But in the workplace, hygiene is much more than that. It is about creating an environment where employees stay healthy, equipment works efficiently, and the organization meets its legal and ISO compliance requirements. Poor hygiene is not just unpleasant. It can lead to accidents, illnesses, contamination, and even legal action. Whether you are in manufacturing, healthcare, food production, or an office, workplace hygiene is a key pillar of ISO standards like ISO 9001 Quality, ISO 14001 Environment, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety, ISO 22000 Food Safety, and even ISO 41001 Facility Management. The link between hygiene and ISO standards. Hygiene directly supports ISO principles like risk management, continual improvement, and meeting customer requirements. Under ISO 9001, cleanliness impacts product quality. In ISO 14001, hygiene is tied to waste management and pollution prevention. ISO 45001 focuses on health and safety, which includes preventing disease through proper workplace sanitation. In ISO 22000, hygiene is critical to preventing food contamination, and ISO 41001 requires proper facility upkeep to ensure safe and healthy working conditions. Now, types of workplace hygiene. Workplace hygiene falls into several categories. Personal hygiene ensures employees maintain cleanliness, wear clean uniforms, use PPE, and follow hand washing protocols. Environmental hygiene focuses on keeping floors, walls, workstations, and storage areas free from dust and pests. Equipment hygiene involves cleaning and maintaining tools and machinery to avoid contamination or malfunction. Food and kitchen hygiene applies if the workplace serves or stores food, ensuring compliance with food safety standards. Finally, restroom hygiene requires that toilets and wash areas remain clean, stocked, and regularly inspected. Now let's discuss the risk of poor hygiene. Neglecting hygiene can cause the spread of disease, product contamination, regulatory fines, and even the loss of ISO certification. It also harms reputation, damages customer trust, and creates audit findings that lead to non-conformities and corrective action requirements. Hygiene and risk assessment in ISO systems. ISO standards require identifying and controlling risk, and poor hygiene is a significant hazard. For example, dirty machinery in a food factory poses a risk of bacterial contamination. The control measures may include scheduled cleaning, swab testing, and training. This process turns hygiene from a casual practice into a measurable and auditable compliance requirement. Creating a workplace hygiene policy. A documented hygiene policy is essential for ISO compliance. It should define responsibilities, cleaning schedules, approved cleaning materials, PPE requirements, waste disposal procedures, and emergency cleaning protocols. The policy must be communicated to all staff and kept available for auditor review. Now let's discuss about training and awareness. Even the most comprehensive hygiene policy will fail without proper training. Employees must know why hygiene matters for both health and compliance, how to clean equipment properly, the right hand washing techniques, and how to report hygiene issues. Standards like ISO 45001 and ISO 22000 require training records to demonstrate competence. Now let's discuss about hygiene audits, internal and external. Hygiene compliance is checked in internal audits by trained staff and in external audits by certification bodies or regulators. Auditors review cleanliness of work areas, maintenance of cleaning tools, training records, and pest control logs. Keeping documentation in order is crucial for passing these audits without findings. Hygiene in the food industry, ISO 22000 and HACCP. In the food sector, hygiene is non-negotiable. ISO 22000 and HACCP demand strict hygiene controls such as separating raw and cooked products, maintaining cleaning schedules with verification records, controlling temperatures, and ensuring staff are medically fit. A single hygiene failure can lead to illness outbreaks and product recalls. Hygiene is compliance, compliance is success. Workplace hygiene is about more than appearance. It is about protecting people, ensuring safety, and meeting ISO standards. From factory floors to corporate offices, clean spaces mean safe, productive, and audit-ready workplaces. Thanks for watching TNV Academy, and I, Atanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode.